Okay, coming into question number 4 on classwork 3. Okay, so what is the easiest view that I can draw this model from? Okay, is it from the front? This is the front, I can see this eye. Or is it from the right, or it's from the top? Okay, I can see that it's from the right. Is easy. Why? Just imagine, always don't consider the cut. Just imagine that this is like a triangle, semi-triangle, okay, and you make it extrude of 60. Is it easy for me? And just forget about this, maybe later we'll draw it, okay, and this cut. Just imagine that there is no cut. So it's easy for me to draw it from the right. Just I need to draw this like semi-triangle, semi-rectangle, or triangle, okay, and I give it an extrude of 60. Let's do that. Okay, so go here, part, okay, make sure that your units mmgs, millimeter gram second. Then we go to not front, this is the front. Now I'll go now to the right, so we'll choose right, then normal to sketch, activate sketch. I'll draw a solid line from this point. I'll do my point, origin point here, click, then we go right, then up, then go left, down, then down. Just don't imagine, just imagine there is no cut here, okay? So click here, always imagine there is no cut, make the cut later on, okay? Click here and go up, click here and we'll go, don't do this mistake, it's not triangle, it's like triangle, okay? So we'll go there, down, then click, then we go down, okay? So we'll go like this, click, then go down, click, then escape. Smart dimension, this line is 74, check, and this line 50, 50, check, and this line, I don't have this dimension here, I have it here, so it's 12, so this is 12, check. Okay, and now it's fully defined. Now feature, extrude, okay, if can I make it mid-plane or blind? I always that, because it's symmetric, this model is symmetric, I usually make it mid-plane, okay? So make the extrude mid-plane and make it how much? 20, 30, 40, how much? 60, okay, 50, 60, then check. Okay, very simple, okay? Now how can I draw this cut? As we did in question number 3, we did the same thing here. Okay, do the same thing. So I will choose first escape, click on escape, then click on this surface, then normal to, okay, we'll draw sketch, activate sketch. I will draw a corner rectangle, okay, make this rectangle long rectangle and make it in the middle, okay. What is the most important thing? Don't make this line fully defined or this line fully defined, because this area and this area will cut on the air, okay. We will choose this, the most important thing is this line and this line. So small dimension, from this line to this area, to this edge, how much is the dimension? It's 22, okay, check. Then from this line to this edge, the dimension would be 22, check, okay. As you can see, the sketch is on this surface, okay. Now feature, extrude cut, okay. Is this extrude cut through all? or just for a certain millimeter. It's just 10 millimeter, as you can see, it's 10 millimeter. So we'll do it not 60, we'll make it 10 millimeters, just 10 millimeters. Check inside, so this cut will go inside 10 millimeters. Check. Okay, as you can see, this is our rectangle, and we extruded cut inside 10 millimeters. Okay, now should I do the same thing here? Actually not. No, the new thing here, we can make a mirror for our previous cut. So how can we do that? First of all, you have to click here, click on the cut that you have just made. Okay, so click here. Okay, until it becomes all, like you can see, all our cut is in the dark blue. Okay, then we'll choose maximize to choose the mirror. Maximize the window. You have mirror. We have the mirror here. Okay, now click on mirror. Okay, to choose the plane, we have to go here. This part, we have an arrow, small arrow. Click on this arrow. Okay, when we click on this arrow, now this cut is mirror about front plane or top plane or right plane. Okay, obviously this cut is around right plane. Why? Because the right plane, we want to transfer this cut from this area to the other area. So is it around the front? Is it around the front? No, because the front, as you can see, is not right from the top. No, the right plane is the right choice, because it's in the middle, as you can see. So we transfer this cut from this area to this area. We do it again. So how can we do that again? Go to the cut that you have made. Click on it until it becomes, as you can see, dark blue. Okay, so click here, then mirror. Then we don't have we have to see the front plane and top plane here. How can we show that? We have to click on the arrow here, then we choose front or top or right. Obviously this mirror about the right plane. Then check. So he transferred this cut from here to here. Okay, and make it isometric now. Okay, now how can we do this cut? Think about it. How can we make this cut? Okay, the same thing we will do. We go from the back, this area. We will draw a rectangle here, and we make it extrude cut through all. So go back, click here on this surface from the back, normal to. Okay, we go sketch, activate sketch. We will make not corner rectangle, center rectangle. Okay, I will go here in this midpoint. Click on this midpoint and draw a small rectangle. Escape. Now how much is the length here from this line to this point? How much is the dimension? The dimension is 8. Check. Now how much is this length? As we can see, this length and this length are the same. Okay, this length and this length are the same. So click on this line. I'll make it 2, 0. Check. Okay. Now As you can see, our sketch is on the back. Now we go feature, go to the feature, extrude cut. Okay, how much should I go extrude cut? Is it just 10 millimeters? No, we go make it through all from here, or we can make it through all from here, through all, then check. Okay, now we can see that from this rectangle on the surface, back surface, we make an extrude cut through all, through all. See? Okay. Now go to the next step. How can we draw this part? Okay, so let's see the front. Can we draw it from the front? No. Can we draw it from the top? No. Can we do it from the right? Yes. Okay, from the right. As you can, the right plane is in the middle. So go to the right plane, right click, normal to. Okay, what should I draw here? Sketch. Activate sketch. Then go to the solid line. Okay, I'll draw this rectangle from here down, then go back. So any place here on this line, click, then go left, then go down. Make sure that when you go down vertical, okay, click here, then go back to the point again. Click here, then escape. Okay, smart dimension, this line is 15. Check. And he has an information that from this point to this point, the dimension is 20. So from this point, click, to this point, click, and we go not vertical, not horizontal, but slanted. Okay, click here, anywhere. The dimension here is 20 to 0. Check. Okay, as we can see, the triangle now is fully defined. And see, where is this sketch? It is on the right plane. We draw it on the right plane. Okay, now we go feature, extrude. Okay, what is the extrude here? The extrude is 20, so 20. Okay, is it to the right? Is it to the right? Or is it to the left? Or should I choose mid-plane? Obviously, I would choose mid-plane. So this is the mid-plane. Okay, so 10 here and 10 here. So check. And this is how we draw question number 4. Okay, I hope it's easy to you now. Please do it again, and if you have any question, just write down below in the comment section. Okay, thank you very much.